Good morning, baby.
Oh my God.
Is it,
I don't know what that was.
it's dew. What's that? What are we doing? We're going riding. We found a nice, beautiful woods hill, and we're gonna go explore it. We're gonna push some paths, find us some mud holes. You ready? You scared?
No.
You a little scared? Never been in here. We don't know what's in here. Let's get going, babe. You look scared.
Oh.
Left, right, and center.
Oh my God.
Come on, don't touch each other. Hello, tree.
Oh my God.
Tree. Jonah, I found a hole. Like, right off the path. Didn't have to drive through the woods. You want to go through it? Ugh. Look at all that mud. Could have stabbed it. That was a tough woods ride there.